So in this lecture, I'm just going to go through with you how each candlestick is represented in TradingView and what that means in regards to price action. So each candle on any time frame has a story. Now with any charting platform, you're going to have a candle where buyers are in control, or you're going to have a candle where sellers are in control. Now a candle where buyers are in control is when price closes above the opening price of the candle. So let me show you an example of that. Now quickly, in regards to the colour of the candle, you can change these in the properties section, which I'll go through with you in a later lecture. So for my charts, I have the white candle where buyers are in control, or a red candle where sellers are in control. So let's take a look at a candle where buyers are in control. Now this is the pound against the dollar on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, it's the pound versus the dollar. Now this candle here, price opened at that level there. So that's just above the 1.30 level. So that is where price opened, and price closed at this level here. So this means that price closed above the opening price, which means today was a day where buyers were in control of this pair. So the pound actually increased in value. Now the wicks represents the price movement within the day. So at some point today, price moved down and then reversed. So this is just the movement of the price. This is not where price has closed or opened. This is just at some point price went down to this level here and then moved back up. And again, the same with the top wick. At some point price moved up to the 1.32 level, so around here, but it did not close there. Price closed there. So let's take a look at a candle where sellers are in control. So the previous day to this candle, there was this red candle. Now the reason this is a candle where sellers are in control is price opened here and price closed here. So the close of this candle was below the opening price, which means sellers are in control. And again, you have the wicks here. So at some point price moved up to this level here and then shot back down, and also price moved to this level as well, but it did not close there. So let's take a look at one more candle. So this is more of an extreme version of a candle where sellers were only slightly in control. So here price opened and it only just closed below the opening price. So really this candle is a candle where sellers are in control, but only just, as price is only slightly below the opening price. Now in terms of the wick, there's been a lot of movement with this candle. So at some point in the day, price moved down here and then buyers come into the market and push price back up. But overall, this is still a candle where sellers in control, as price has closed below the opening price. Now on any time frame, the candle still tells a story. So if I drop down to the hourly, you still have the same format across all time frames. So again, price opened here and closed here. We have this little wick here, so at some point price moved to that level and then sellers come slightly in control. And the previous candle, it opened here and closed here, which means sellers were in control of this candle. So this is an hourly chart, so during this hour sellers were in control, and at some point sellers managed to push price down to this level, but buyers rejected and pushed price back up. So this is what price action is really about, because each one of these candles tells a story of what price is doing. So the bigger the candle, the more buying power there is in the market. The smaller the candle here, the less buyers are in control. Now this could be a period over the Asian session where there's not much activity, or there could just not be activity in general throughout these hours here. Now in later lectures this is all going to come a bit more apparent to you, and you're going to be able to apply this knowledge to the context of the market. So just bear with me now, and I just want you to understand what each candle means.